Hi there, I'm Sandy and today we're going to be making a crepe paper butterfly. Kind of like this one that I made earlier. It's a pink and yellow one with pipe cleaners. So for this craft, you're going to need 4 colours of crepe paper. So I've got yellow, pink, green and orange. You're also going to want a pair of scissors that aren't too sharp, so they're perfect for kids. And we're going to need some pipe cleaners. I'm not sure what colour I should use, so maybe I'm going to ask the girls. What's your favourite colour?
My favorite color is purple. My favorite color is blue.
Blue?
My favorite color is green.
Well, I think I've got a tough decision here. Casey, what's your favourite colour?
Yellow.
Yellow? Alright, I think we're going to go with yellow. You get about 1 centimetre's worth of the paper and you fold it and then you reverse it back over until it looks like that. And then we're going to keep going all the way down the paper until it kind of forms into like a, concertina. Alright, so now that we've finished concertinaing it, we're going to put it aside and you might want to put something on top of it to stop it from unraveling. So I'm going to grab a pair of my scissors and just stick it kind of like that. And then we're going to continue this again with the other 3 colours. Alright, so it should look something like this. The next step in our butterfly is kind of making the wing. So what we're going to do is pinch it right here in the middle and we're going to grab a pair of our scissors and we're going to cut off the very edge of the corners. So kind of like this. And then we're going to repeat that with all of our wings. Alright, so now that we've kind of finished cutting up our wings, what we're going to do is give them a quick little twist, just kind of like this, right in the center. The next step is to stack all of our wings. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab them and put them together. I think that I want to make my butterfly a pink one, so I'm going to put the pink on the top and I'll put the yellow on the bottom, kind of like this. And then we're going to grab our pipe cleaner. So Casey wanted a yellow one, so we're going to go with yellow. Here it is. And we're going to put it right in the middle, like that. And tighten it with a little twist, like so. Now comes kind of the tricky part of it. We're going to make some little curls in our antennas so that, adds a little bit of that cute little charm. You just pinch the end. And for our final step, we're going to need to separate the wings. So right now we have it kind of bunched up looking like this, but what we want to do is spread it out so it looks like a really nice wing pattern. So you need to pull the wings out. And if you followed all the steps correctly, the butterfly should look something like this.